Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. This video, when you see it, it'll probably be a late post, but I got my Destash from Luisa. She had a Destash sale. I think it was end of June, somewhere around that time. So when you see this, it'll be long gone. So anyway, I bought her batch. She had a lot of dies, and I picked it up because dies and stamps, guys. So, or stamps and dies. And yeah, I figured this is the best way to get it. So Luisa, thank you. So this is the dies, and I don't remember everything. I just want to show you what came in the Destash lot. These are page corners, I believe, or photo corners. You can use it as photo corners, page corners, book corners, whatever. They're just to decorate the corners of your page, book, whatever. These, and she gave me the magnets too, so awesome. These are, ooh, pretty. I love these kind of things. So got some flowers and some greenery with it. We've got this teeny tiny butterfly. And then she had the lip chapstick box. I don't know. It's nice for beads. So I'm glad I got that. Ooh, and I got a die set, nesting set of ovals, fancy ovals. Very cute. Cute. Thank you, my friend. And then I think this is the pen box. I'm not sure, but it's a box, as you can tell. There's the tabs, all four sides, and you get this little window. You could chop the window open. It embosses where you could put this to open it up, and you can see what's inside. Oh, and the back has little circle dies. Nice. Look at these teeny tiny butterflies. You have stitched circles. Very cute. And this was the infamous suitcase, roll-on, traveling, whatever, carry-on bag. So cool. You got the pocket details, you got the corner details, you got the wheels, and here's the handle. And then there's the main suitcase right there. Very cool. This I'm in love with, mainly for the bow. These are shakers. You can turn them into shakers, or you don't have to, but you have that option. So you got the heart and the bows, and this one's a heart safety pin. I was trying to think. And then here's a perfume bottle, shaker perfume bottle. Very cool. I don't know. I don't think I have this one. So that's cool. And I think this, yep, KS Crafts. I don't think I have that one. And then here you have tags and, you know, labels, different styles and sizes. And then you have numbers. Very cool. And then this is just the layer piece for the hole. That's cool. Here's more labels, styled nameplates, I guess, or book plates. Very cool. I like that. Wow, very cool. Here's a Tim Holtz die set. Circles, ovals, rectangles, different sizes. And she's got it on the magnet. And the sleeves, FYI, the sleeves are really nice. Like that. Interesting. Woo. And a lot of these things are like essentials, you know, because the shapes, ovals, you can use them so many different ways. Oh my gosh. Here's some nesting squares. Look at the detail on that one. That would be nice on some foil or iridescent paper. Look at the tiny square. And I think she said this is a tassel, paper tassel. And you've got some circles here. Nice. 6 pieces. Yeah, very cool. I like that. And here's some borders. These are recognized from Dollar Tree. Nice little edging, a little fancy, like a frame or book plate, because they got little holes. You can make a neck book plate out of it. This is the KS Craft Lacy Slim. I guess these are the edges for, oh, for your edging. Nice. Oh, that's interesting. I want to play with that. And then this one, a lot of basics, very handy. This is a box, or is this an envelope? This is an envelope, like a policy envelope, but it's smaller. Very cool. And she's got some nice size numbers in here. Little tag. This would be cute. These numbers would be cute to like add to your little houses and stuff. Very cute. Look at this, tiny, tiny tags. It's got number, and then you got all the numbers here. A little star. Very cool. I think this is a ticket. Yeah. 2 style tickets, an award ribbon. There's the circle for the layering pieces. That's very cool. Is there something? Yeah. And then here's a little pocket. That's cute. Can hold a gift card in that. Yep. That's what it looks like. And here's some flowers and some bows. These are flat layered bows. These are cute. I saw her use this one. I think it's this one in a project, and it's very pretty. I love that. These flowers, wow. If you're into card making, these are going to be gorgeous into for card making. And then the last die set is the Sizzix Thinlits. Ooh. You got all the alphas and the numbers. Wow. And she's got it on a magnet sheet. Wow. Very cool. Okay, okay. Look at that. Okay. I like the size of this. I don't have my ruler now. Let's see. Let's just take the H. And you get doubles. Very cool. So about 1.5 inches tall by 1/2 inch wide. That is cool. Love it that there's doubles. Wow. So you could actually use it, spell a word, and don't have to die cut so many pieces over and over and over. Very cool. So if you missed out, go follow Luisa, who is My Crafty Boutique Co. on YouTube and Instagram. She does sells Destashes every once in a while. I don't know when she might be doing the next one, but man, look at all these dies. I don't even remember. She even put it at a discount because it was at the end of her live. She does live sales, which is very effective. You know, you just go there, show up, and pay immediately, and then she sends it to you that same day, which I love. I love, love, love. Here are the stamps, the stamp sets. Oh my gosh, there's so many cool stamps. Oh my goodness, junk journals. I love it. She finds some really cute stamps. So these are the lines, you know, you get on those tags so you can write on it. Some journaling lines. You got some stars, a little swooshy, and the number, little pointy thing. And you've got a little embossing plate. Very cool. Or folder. I don't know how to use this, but I'll play with it. Here you got some sentiments. Very nice. I don't even think she used it. Be happy. Kindness changes everything. Pretty flowers. Today is a good day. I love these sentiments. I need to do like a live where just stamp all the sentiments, you know, and then you on a 8.5 by 11 sheet, and then run it through your scanner. Goodies inside. Happy mail to cheer you up because I care, because you're worth it, because you're loved. For you, my great friend, handmade with love. Oh, I love these. Happy mail and happy mail. This is an awesome set. Oh my gosh. You got some stamps here. You got a handmade stamp there. Little doilies and flowers. Very cool. Little thank you. I'm gonna go from none to wow, so many. If friends were flowers, I'd pick you. Hello, beautiful, forever friends. Thankful to know you. You always make me smile. Always in my heart, dearest friend. Just thinking of you. Very cool. And then here's some labels. I think she did use these. Very cool. I like that. I want to put those two together because those are nice little, you know, sets there. And then more sentiments. Hello, awesome, love, thank you, smile, happy, beautiful, sweet, hugs and kisses. I like that I have options for the fonts, styles, and sizes. So very, very cool. And then the last of the bunch is thanks, happy, hello, today, aha, hello, believe, good times, celebrate, adorable, and be awesome. Those are cool. And always are invited now, celebrate, love forever. This will be cool if you just put this all on or just keep it on the backing and ink it up and then stamp it down, and then you have a bunch. You just keep stamping it as a whole piece, and then you just have a bunch and you can cut it apart. Oh my God, just like the Dollar Tree sticker. You know what I mean? Like you know what I mean. Here's another one. Deepest and well together, I best. Me, wishes, missing, congratulations. And 2, I'm anniversary. I because heart, beautiful, my everything, you friend, yours, hugs, crazy happy of, get due party just for how good. And oh my gosh, and all the little, I don't know what those are called. I already showed that one. This one is the little Merry Christmas, Christmas wishes, fa la 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 la. Little stars, look how tiny. And the little flowers, very cute. And this one is sunset, sunshine, state of mind, enjoy, so happy, life is good, be you, limited edition. How cool. Oh my gosh, these are tiny. These are tiny. I mean, you could fit that on your fingernail. It's a Hero Greetings, by Hero Arts. Hello, love you, you shine, dream big. Kisses, what's up? You inspire me. Hugs, hot stuff. XOXO. You make me smile. You're awesome. You're the best. Sweetie, you're a smart cookie. You're magic. Wow. I like you. Happy birthday. Hey there, cutie. I miss you. You rock. You amaze. You're a great friend. Have a nice day. I like your style. Thanks for being you. And peekaboo. And then you have happy birthday. It's your day. Blessed. Good luck. Wishes with deepest sympathy. Oh, we need more of these types of sentiments. I'm sorry, get well soon, happy anniversary, so proud of you, and congrats. Oh my God, that is awesome. Just so many little options, you guys. When I get excited, I cannot speak. I get ridiculous. But Luisa, thank you so much for sharing your D-stash. Eve, thank you so much for giving up the D-stash. We were actually war bidding. Well, not bidding, but we're like, nope, it's mine. Nope, it's mine. Nope, Luisa, it's already paid. It's mine. So like crazy back and forth. And then Luisa said, you don't need it. Eve, you don't need it. Thanks. It's mine. Okay, so yeah, that's it, guys. That was my haul from Luisa's D-stash. I hope you guys go check out her channel. Show her some love. She may or may not be doing any more D-stashes, but you know, if you won't know unless you follow her. So go check her out, and I will see you guys soon. I don't know when, but hopefully soon. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.